Yeah man, let's make some refreshing beetroot carrot juice with lemon and ginger. This drink has a rich earthy flavor and I can just feel the goodness going down. It is the perfect drink to build your immunity and to boost your athletic performance. It is also great in preventing anemia. It's loaded with tons of vitamins and other nutrients. Ideally, I would like to make this with a juicer, but today I'm just gonna use a blender. So let's do this. Put the remaining trash in your compost and use in your garden. Super delicious. Subscribe. Yeah man.